Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Salome Samuel Sambo. I film about lifestyle, faith, business, food, career, fashion, beauty, health, name it. Everything I know evolves around lifestyle. I'm gonna be discussing all of those stuffs over here on this channel. Yes. So I want to say thank you to all my channel subscribers. Thank you for supporting me. I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. You guys are welcome. Welcome to the family. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing us how I was able to achieve this look with just $3, or better still less than $3. So yes, if you're interested to know how I was able to come up or achieve this look, then you need to see this video till the end. Hey guys, so this is my powder, my mascara, my foundation, eyeliner, and then my blending sponge. So guys, all I just want to do now is I'm going to blend my foundation. I've started with my eyebrows already done. Yes, if you've not seen this video, then I'll drop the link on my description box. Okay, you can quickly go check it out and then you understand where I'm coming from. So all I did was I used my concealer, 2-in-1 concealer and eyeliner. Why I'm using this white concealer is in order to make my eyeshadow defined. So I just use the light one down. All I'll do now is just apply my light eyeshadow, which is the pink one, at the top to define my eyebrows. Yeah, I'll just do it at the other side too. Yeah, so I'll just blend it properly. Then I'm applying the blue because I'm using two colors. I'm blending the blue eyeshadow. You could see that it came out well, so it's perfectly done, guys. The next thing is to apply my setting powder, or better still my finish powder. I'll just set it on my face while I do other things like my lips and all. That's another way of baking. Like, you don't really need to have a lot of makeup stuff in order to achieve, or in order to beat your face to look good. Okay, so I'll just apply the powder on my face, like all around my face. So I'm just using a little bit of blush, using the bronze to brush my face. So I'll just apply my eyeliner. Apply it on the other side too, guys. Yeah, it's quite tricky. So I'll apply my eyeliner. Makeup is coming up pretty good. Yeah, trying to give it a good shape, you know. Like, guys, who would believe that is a $3 makeup? Wow. So I'll just make sure that everything is being done properly. So guys, just take your time while doing this, okay? Make sure that your hand is not shaky because eyeliner could be tricky sometimes, okay? So I'll just apply it properly. You could see that it's a bit tricky on me today, so just bear with me, guys. I'll just apply it properly. Go, girl. Yep, I think I'm good with that. Just perfect the other side to make sure that it's equal, you know. The eyeliner and the eyebrows, they are not actually twins, so they are sisters and their brothers, so they don't necessarily need to look perfectly because it's a beginner friendly kind of makeup. But irrespective of that, as a beginner, starting well is not a bad idea, okay? So you just calm down and do yours neatly, patiently, and perfectly, okay? So guys, I'm done with that. Can you see? The next on our list is just gonna blend the powder properly in order to bring out the fitting. Okay, just blending it with my body blender. It's a two-way blender sponge, so I'm just using it, yes, because you don't necessarily need to buy all the makeup things before you start doing makeup. Okay, so this is an improvised way instead of getting your brush and all of that. Yes, guys, remember it's an affordable makeup we're doing today. So yeah, I'll just blend in all my powder. You know, you can see that it would have settled into my skin already, so I just blend it to give me a perfect look that I want. Just blend it in properly. That's basically what I did over here. just blend it in properly, and you could see how the makeup is coming up already. Yep, blend, blend, blend. It's a blending process. We blend, blend, blend. Dun, 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 dun. So guys, I'm done with blending of the powder. Next thing, it's gonna apply my lipstick on my lips. Yep, yep, yep. Just apply it. Whichever color you want to use is fine. I'm using a baby pink. All I'll just do is I'm going to use my Miss Lovely eyebrow now to eyeliner. Sorry, I'll just use it to outline the lips to give it a perfect perfect look I want on my lips. I'll just apply it down and then up, following all the lips, Yes guys, so I applied. Can you see? I just smack. The next thing is I'm gonna outline the lips with my brush, the smallest brush, and I'm using the lighter part of my concealer that I used on my face, and even when I was doing the eyebrow tutorial, if you guys have seen the video. So I'll just use it to outline my lips to make the lipstick come out properly, to make it pop out. Do you get? To make it pop out. Why are you not smiling, darling? Like I'm too serious over here. So I'll just apply it at the top of my lips, like bringing out the shape of my lips. Like there's no big deal, like, just smack. Smack again. And we're done. Guys, we're done. The next on my list is my mascara. Guys, this is also trickish. Just watch. I just apply my mascara. Like, if you have your eyelashes, it's fine. You could apply your mascara first in order for your lashes to stand well. Then you could apply your lashes. But in today's video, I'm not going to be applying any lashes. I'm just going to use eye mascara. Oops, I got a stain, but it's fine. We'll set it out. I'm going to clean up this stain with my foundation. I'll be using my skin color foundation. I know how to do with it. So I'll just use my blender, take a lip tips from my colored foundation, that's my skin color. I'll just use it to blend. Yeah, just use it to blend where the stain was rubbed by my mascara. Just use it, then touch it up with some finish powder. Do you understand, guys? Are we done? So guys, this is the finished product of our less than $3 makeup. If this video has been helpful to you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and share. I hope to see you in my next video. Stay fabulous, guys. Bye.